Chewy but healthy. The mystery behind the jelly candy we eat every day. We've all eaten this. A chewy, sweet, and colorful snack. From traditional markets to luxury supermarkets, it's everywhere. But have you ever really wondered what actually goes into your body when you chew on a jelly bean? What's the secret behind its perfectly chewy texture? And why do we sometimes find them swimming in their own fluid? And when viewed under a microscope, they are not completely clear as we see with the naked eye. There's a light brown color and a dark brown color among the jelly. We'll discuss why that is later. Our story begins with ingredients that sound like a spell: agar-agar, gelatin, sorbitol, citric acid, and tartrazine CI 19140. These are the magicians behind the creation of modern jelly. Hello everyone. Let's dissect them one by one. Agar-agar is a hero of the sea, derived from seaweed. Meanwhile, gelatin is its more elastic cousin, derived from animal bones and skin. Then, to achieve a fresh, sour taste, citric acid is added, and for that eye-catching bright yellow color, a dye called tartrazine is often used. The big question is, why isn't our grandmother's jelly this bright? This is where science, or some might say, the food industry's tricks come into play. Look, the part here that looks the most dark, not as clear as the jelly when seen with the naked eye. Have you ever opened a pack of jelly and found it sweating? That's not a sign of spoilage, it's a law of physics. This phenomenon is called syneresis, where the gel tissue tightens and squeezes the liquid out. However, this condition can also be a warning sign if the jelly is stored at an unstable temperature, as this sweating will occur more frequently. So, what about yellow jelly that turns tea-colored or brown? This is more dangerous than you might think. This color change could be a sign of oxidation or excessive light exposure. Or most worryingly, poor quality raw materials or unstable dyes. This is nature's language saying, something is not right here. Beneath the pleasant sweetness, however, lies a bitter truth. Most packaged jellies are simply sugar bombs, wrapped in beautiful packaging. Their nutritional value is minimal. There's almost no significant protein, fiber, or vitamins. Our bodies just get an instant burst of energy that rises quickly and falls just as quickly. So what's the benefit? The true benefits of jelly come from making it yourself. Using pure agar-agar with a little sugar, it can be a good source of fiber for digestion, but the packaged version we buy, it's more of a momentary pleasure than an investment in health. The side effects: excessive consumption, especially by children, can lead to obesity, type 2 diabetes, and tooth decay. Look, what is that? Not to mention the potential for hyperactivity in children who are sensitive to certain artificial colors. Diabetics and those on strict diets should definitely avoid this product. This story wouldn't be complete without touching on the world of production. In 2015, a jelly factory in Banyuasin, PT Sarapati Maspalembang Sriwijaya, shocked the world when its products were confiscated by the BPOM. Tens of thousands of boxes of jelly have been recalled. Why? They are suspected of containing dangerous chemicals and were produced without a valid distribution permit. This is a stark reminder to all of us. Always look for the BPOM MD/ML logo on the packaging. It's our first line of defense. If it's missing, that's a big red flag. This incident proves that not everything chewy and sweet is safe. Just for information, BPOM is an institution that supervises food and drug products. So BPOM is the official and legal food and drug supervisory agency in the territory of Indonesia. So what's the conclusion? Is jelly evil? Not really. It's a fascinating invention of food science. The problem lies in its over-commercialization. Too much sugar, too much coloring, and in some extreme cases, poor oversight. The solution is in our hands. Be a smart consumer. Read the labels. Choose one that's BPOM approved. Better yet, make your own. With agar-agar, a little sugar, and real fruit puree for flavor and color, you can enjoy this chewy snack with peace of mind. These snacks aren't the enemy, as long as we know the secrets behind them. Knowledge is our best weapon in choosing what's merely sweet and what's truly safe for the body. What do you think? Have you ever had a strange experience with jelly? Or do you have a favorite healthy jelly recipe? Share it in the comments below. Pay attention. What is it? I can't guess. It depends on the audience's perception, and only intelligent viewers can judge what is in the jelly. This company may have been involved in a case in 2015 and may have continued operating with improved production process changes until now, in 2026, after receiving a warning from BPOM. This observation is subjective and transparent, and perhaps this jelly has been stored by the wholesaler for a long time and stored in a damp place or at a hot temperature so that the quality of the jelly is reduced. So, this is a lesson for all of us. We should not determine whether food is good or bad by thinking directly about the factory. Perhaps the distribution channel is not optimal in terms of the quality of food storage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell because we'll be exploring the mysteries behind other everyday foods. See you in the next video.